welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about some police officers. They did a good deed for a resident during the new year, and I want to give them props. We beat up on them a lot of the time, and we just want to see them do better, and that's why we put out there what they do wrong. And we don't want the residents or the residents of Jamaica to also be mistreated. So the police high command has extended commendation to a group of police officers who went the extra mile to help the mother who faced a particular charge in Kingston on New Year's Eve. The mother had to rush one of her 4 children to a hospital for treatment and had no reliable option to care for her other children while she attended to the particular needs of the one who was ill. The officers who were assigned to work in Kingston West Zone of Special Operation saw the woman in distress and took the time out of their normal work routine to take care of the 3 of the children, including 2 tiny tots, while the mother went to seek medical attention for the other child. The cops, through their selfless act, demonstrated how much more there is to policing than just physically fighting crime. The incident, which ended up being captured on video, has been hailed by a number of Jamaican and also attracted the attention of police high command. Thank you to Constable Franklin Brown Edwards for your selfless act. Members of the police high command send in a message to the policemen. And I'm going to insert below the video footage of them actually taking care of the kids. It's amazing to see them actually being involved in the community, even though they were sent there to police and fight crime. It's amazing that they're actually taking the time out to actually help the residents. So big up to everybody that was involved. Big up to all the police officers that are actually genuinely in the JCF to help people and to help Jamaica fight crime and restore our country. So big up to you. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hey. All them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. Them a jive by and all know them can't reach. Go and back up for your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.